In today's video, we'll be fixing a faulty power outlet. The cigar lighter is faulty, so we'll have to fix it. First thing we want to do is check the car manual for the correct rating of the fuse we need to use. Next thing we want to do is check the location of the fuse on the fuse box cover. These fuses come in different sizes, so I will advise you take the fuse out so you know what size of fuse to buy. Now we're checking for the fuse location on the fuse box. Once you figure out the location of the fuse for the cigar lighter, now you can open the box. Now that you've located the fuses you want to replace, using nose pliers, pop out the defective fuses. Now you can install the new fuses with the correct rating in the right spots. After doing that, make sure you reinstall the fuse box cover. Now that we're done installing the fuses, we're going to check the two power outlets to make sure they're working. And as you can see, the blue light is on. That means the outlet is working. That's number one. And now we go to number two outlet and verify that also. So now the blue light is on, which means it's working.